Hello again. It's time for an update on the tech tools that will be used for the STEM project. I have definitely decided that this project will be based in a Google site, and I have found that one of the maybe not newer means, but the Bitmoji classroom really took off during the time when we were just doing online and virtual classes, and teachers sought for ways to make their online classes much more interactive and interesting, visually stimulating and fun for their students. While researching the topic, I came across this article in Tech and Learning, which is a site dedicated to providing tools and ideas to transform education. And this article, written by Luke Edwards, is titled, "What is a Bitmoji Classroom and How Can I Build One?" So the introduction is that the classroom is fast becoming a popular way to teach remotely because it's lively, it's fun and engaging for both the teachers and students. He further goes on to give a more formal explanation of what it is, how to set it up, how to build it, where you can get images, and some of the best ways to use the classrooms. Now, one of the first things that you'd need is to get the Bitmoji app or the Bitmoji Google Chrome extension. So the Bitmoji app is available for both Android and iPhone users, and the extension is available on Chrome. So if you see me pointing up at the top here, this is the Bitmoji extension, and this is the website. Now, once you have the app and you download the app, you create a Bitmoji or a likeness, an avatar likeness of yourself. You can put in as many changes as you would like. We change face structure, eye color, eye size, lips, nose, ears, hair, skin texture, skin color, then even the outfits. Once that general person is then created, on this website here, bitmoji.com, there are all these different stickers that you can use in your classroom. Besides this article from Mr. Edwards in Tech Learning, there were two other specific articles that I came across that gave you direct instructions. This one by Sarah Wanasek that specifically relates to using Microsoft's PowerPoint to create your classroom. And there was one other one that I also came across, and that was from the boardteachers.com website. And this one gave some specific instructions as to how to create the classroom using Google Slides. I decided to work with Google Slides to create my classroom, and this is the current image that we're at so far. So my Bitmoji classroom will be on my website, Making Marvelous Mathematicians, and this is still being built. Haven't decided yet on a direct theme and the color scheme, but we're getting there. Continuing to explore these tools and to come across new options and new features as I go through the creation and the building. Thank you for watching.